Yes, students, how are you? And welcome to your English class. And as you know that you have seen on the screen, it's written article writing. So today we are going to take article writing. You have composition section for your exam, and composition includes of, we can say that it has short compositions, it has long compositions, and it has very long compositions. So this is one of its part, that is article writing. Now what an article writing is, you simply think कि कोई भी एक टॉपिक दे दो उस पे कुछ भी लिख दो वो एक आर्टिकल बन जाता है. नो, दैट इज एन एसे. वो एक एसे होता है, एंड दैट टू इन अ सेट फॉर्मेट. अगर वो प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट में होगा तो वो एसे होगा, एक प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट में होगा तो आप उसको पैराग्राफ राइटिंग बोल सकते हो, एंड एक डिफरेंट प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट में होगा तो दैट इज कंक्लूडेड एज आर्टिकल राइटिंग. So now when we are talking of article writing, let us first understand what article writing is. Article writing क्या होता है? It is a piece of writing, and remember it is written for larger audience. Now you see we write letters. लेटर हम लिखते हैं, किसको दे देते हैं? जिसके लिए होता है. उस लेटर को कौन पढ़ता है? सिर्फ वही इंसान पढ़ता है. Secondly, if we deliver a speech somewhere, तो speech is to a set defined set of, we can say, जो हमारे people होते हैं जिनके लिए हम speech बोल रहे हैं, the audience that we have वो सिर्फ उनके लिए होती है. But when it comes to article writing, it is for larger audience. That is audience जो होती है वो indefined होती है. Why? Because जो primary motive होता है ना हमारे writing article का, वो क्या होता है? That it is to be published in a newspaper, it is to be published in a magazine, or it is to be published in a journal. Now कोई चीज न्यूज़पेपर में आ रही है, मैगजीन में आ रही है, जर्नल में आ रही है, it's going to reach to infinite number of people. So how can you just define the number of people जो उसको सुनेंगे या जो उसको पढ़ेंगे? No ना. So it is for a larger audience. ठीक है. Then the next thing, it is used. ऐसा इसलिए रखा था that it's going to make some difference to the world. It may be the topics of interest of writer, or it may be related to some current issues. ये हो सकता है आपको जिस टॉपिक पे लिखने में इंटरेस्ट है, you keep on writing different aspects of that article, or it might be related to some current issues. Like हम pollution पे आर्टिकल दे देते हैं, आपको population explosion पे दे देते हैं. अभी nowadays COVID-19 जो है उसके अलग अलग जो वेरिएंट्स है, सपोज उस पे कोई आर्टिकल है, और रादर वी कैन से कि जो COVID-19 है उसके जो इफेक्ट्स हैं, उसके जो प्रिकॉशंस हैं, समवेयर आप उस चीज के बारे में लिख रहे हो. तो दीज थिंग कीप्स ऑन हैपनिंग. तो ऐसे आपको डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स पे यू कैन डू द आर्टिकल राइटिंग. Now this is an introduction basically, and then we move on to the objectives of article writing. Now objectives of article writing includes what? It brings out the matter of interest in the limelight. It offers suggestion, a piece of advice. It influences the reader and urges them to think. It discusses various stories, persons, locations, rising issues and technical developments. So ये क्या करती है? It brings out the matter of interest in the limelight. वो जो matter of interest होता है ना उसको limelight में लेके आते हैं. ठीक है. Like in the sense we say कि हमें कोई article, हमें कोई topics बहुत पसंद है, उसके बारे में हमें बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें जो नहीं पता होती है, सडनली हम कहीं पढ़ते हैं, then we come to know about it. So that is that matter of interest को limelight में लाने के लिए article is the greatest source. Then it offers suggestions and piece of advice. ये suggestion and piece of advice offer करते हैं. It influences the readers and urges them to think. ये influence करते हैं readers को, and it just forces them, urges them to think about it. It discusses various stories, persons, locations, rising issues and technical development. And what kind of topics or matters they discuss? They discuss various kind of stories, various kind of persons. ठीक है. उसके बाद में locations, rising issues, technical developments, they are going to think about it all and they are going to be discussed. Now when we come to the parts of an article, when we comes to the parts of article, तो आपने एक article लिखना शुरू किया. What are the different parts that the article comprises of? Now, when you write the article, first of all, you have to give a title to it. Okay. Secondly, then you have to give the introduction of the topic. Then complete body is to be made, and then you have to conclude the topic of the article. Now, when it comes to the title, सबसे पहले क्या चीज होती है? You have a newspaper in front of you every day. हर news पढ़ते हो? No. Which news do you read? Okay, चलो let me know from you कि आपके सामने अगर एक newspaper है, what are the criteria? So yes, so when the article title is an eye-catching title, it is going to attract the readers. So an eye-catching title which attracts the reader's attention and suggests the theme of the article. Think about why you read a magazine or newspaper article recently. What made you read it? Articles can also have subheadings before each paragraph. Now, title क्या है? An eye-catching title, जो क्या करता है? Attracts the reader's attention. जिसने reader की attention को क्या करता है? Attract. And suggest the theme of the article. And वो कहीं ना कहीं topic ऐसा हो कि उसे पता चल जाए इसके अंदर क्या लिखा हुआ है. So just think about it कि आप read करते हो magazine, newspaper article recently and what made you read it? Obviously the headings made us read it. When we read the heading, we find it very interesting and we read the complete paragraph or complete article. Okay, then comes introduction. And introduction जो होता है, it clearly defines the topic to be covered. वो clearly define कर देगा that what topic we are going to cover in this article and keeps the reader's attention. And reader की attention को अपनी तरफ attract किए रखते हैं. Then comes to the body of the article. It consists of 2 to 5 paragraphs in which the topic is further developed in detail. ये consist करते हैं 2 to 5 paragraph. That is minimum is 2, 2 से कम नहीं लिखोगे, and maximum is 5, 5 से ज्यादा भी मत लिखना because जो word limit है उसी के अंदर आपको सब कुछ लिखना है. And इस 2 to 5 paragraphs के अंदर further उस topic को proper way में develop किया जाता है in detail. Now we move to the last segment of this article, that is conclusion. Conclusion basically does what? It summarizes the topic or a final opinion, recommendation or comment. It is going to conclude the topic, summarize the topic or a final opinion, recommendation or comment. Okay. Now see, the next thing is when you understood that what are the different parts, what are the format segments of the article, you move on to the next thing, that is now you have to start writing your article. So सबसे पहले हमने देखा title. So steps of writing article is think of the topic you want to write the article about. वो topic के बारे में सोचो जिसके बारे में आप article लिखना चाहते हो. Only after you have decided your topic, you can go ahead and undertake the further steps in the process one by one. So only after you have decided कि आपने decide किया ही है your topic, then you go ahead and undertake these further steps in the process one by one. So see, the first one is target audience. सबसे पहले you have to identify the concerning reading group. आप किसके लिए लिख रहे हो? Suppose you are writing for small children, तो आप उसी के according लिखोगे. ठीक है? Suppose you are writing for small children, तो आप उसके according लिखोगे. आप उसको elderly people के according नहीं लिख सकते. Then the next thing is, and you are even अगर आपका topic कोई elder people oriented topic है तो आप उनके according लिखोगे, फिर उसमें बच्चों जैसी चीजें मत लिख देना. Now then we move to the purpose. Okay, so purpose क्या है? Find the objective or aim of writing the article. Objective or aim of the article. Next is collect and select. Now you have to gather some information जितनी possible हो. उसमें से gather information में से जो important information है, significant details हैं, उसको identify कर लीजिए. Now when your significant details are identified, and then what you have to do, you have to organize it. That is, आप उसको organize करोगे, arrange the information and the facts in a logical way. Now go and arrange this information and the facts in a very logical, that is structured and systematic way. Okay. Yes, now see. So now just think कि आपने title सोच लिया, सब कुछ सोच लिया है. Now you are all set and ready. Just for what? You are all set and ready to write an article. Now still there are some points to remember. It happens ना जब आप घर से निकलते हो तो you know everything. You know how to drive a vehicle. What are the traffic rules? What are the road rules? Are you carrying all the things with you? आपके पास सब कुछ होता है ना, आपको सब कुछ पता है, आप समझदार हो. बट स्टिल जब आप घर से निकलते हो तो मम्मी की तरफ से कुछ पॉइंट्स आते हैं ना, थिंग्स, गाइडलाइंस टू बी रिमेम्बर्ड. सो यही वो चीज है. अब आपको पता है दैट व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग, फॉर whom you are writing, what is the purpose of your writing, why are you writing and how you are going to write it. आपको सब चीजें पता है, but still there is an piece of advice for you, that is there are some points that you have to remember while writing. So before you begin writing an article, it is important to consider what? Now see, before you begin writing an article, it is important कि आप consider करो कुछ चीजों को. क्या consider करना आपको? Where is the article going to appear, in newspaper or magazine? First of all, आपको ये check करना that where is this article going to appear? Is it going to appear in the newspaper or it's going to appear in the magazine? कहाँ पे appear होने वाला है ये? ठीक है, then according to that ही आप उसको थोड़ा सा जो उसका subject matter होता है ना, उसको आप manipulate करते हो according to the thing it's going to appear in. Who are the intended readers? A specific group of such as students or teenagers or adults in general. Then आप ये देखोगे कि आपके readers कौन है? Who are the intended readers of you? That is specific groups. जैसे कि you can say that such as students. आप स्टूडेंट्स के हैं, आपके रीडर स्टूडेंट हैं, आपके रीडर टीनेजर्स हैं, या आपके स्टूडेंट अडल्ट्स हैं इन जनरल. सो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दैट. देन व्हाट इज द एम ऑफ आर्टिकल? आपके आर्टिकल का एम क्या है? टू एडवाइज, सजेस्ट, इन्फॉर्म, कंपेयर, कंट्रास्ट, डिस्क्राइब, एक्सेट्रा. व्हाट इज द एडवाइस? व्हाट आर द सजेशंस? व्हाट आर द इंफॉर्मेशंस? व्हाट आर द वी कैन से कॉन्ट्रास्ट एंड कंपैरिजंस, or what you are going to describe. क्या aim है आपके article का? That you have to mention. Article could be formal, it can be semi-formal and it can be informal, depended कि आपके intended audience कौन है. Use vocabulary and descriptive language appropriate for the article. Use only that vocabulary and that descriptive language जो कि आपके article के लिए एकदम appropriate है. That is, it is good. होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? Linking words and expressions and a variety of vocabulary will only improve your work and make it more interesting. And now, आपके पास में कुछ linking words होते हैं, कुछ expressions होते हैं, and vocabulary you have variety of vocabulary, and it is going to do what? It is simply going to make your work बहुत अच्छा कर देगा. वो आपके काम को is going to make your work very easy. Now होता है ऐसा in general, आप जब कुछ चीज लिखते हो, अगर उसमें बहुत interesting words होते हैं, उसके अंदर अगर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें होती है, यू रियली फाइंड इट इंटरेस्टिंग. ठीक है, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. सो द थिंग इज ना, एक चीज हमेशा याद रखो, डू वन थिंग. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, आप क्या करो ना, आप एक कॉपी बना लो, उस कॉपी के अंदर टेक अप अ डिक्शनरी एवरी डे एंड जस्ट कलेक्ट 2 वर्ड्स. 5 भी मत लो, 2 ले लो. 2 वर्ड्स एवरी डे. राइट इट वेयर, उसको कहाँ लिखोगे आप? उसको आप अपनी एक कॉपी के अंदर लिख लो. ठीक है, उस कॉपी के अंदर जब आप लिखोगे, नाउ यू विल वेरी सून यू विल हैव अ कलेक्शन ऑफ फ्यू वर्ड्स. आपके पास कुछ वर्ड्स का कलेक्शन हो जाएगा, एंड दैट कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स इज रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट. वो कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगा. हो सकता है अभी रिसेंट जो आप टॉपिक कर रहे हो उसमें वो वर्ड्स यूज नहीं आए, बट देन द थिंग इज, जरूरी नहीं है ना हमेशा यही लिखोगे. मे बी समटाइम यू आर गोइंग टू राइट समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट, तो हो सकता है those words are going to be useful to you, so you will have a very good collection of vocabulary. तो जब आप articles लिखोगे, you will write paragraphs, you will write letters, so you can use that vocabulary of yours. So because it's told कि हमें बहुत simple vocabulary नहीं use करना, हमें थोड़ा decorative language को use करना है. When you are describing something, descriptive language जो आप use करते हो, it should be appropriate for the article. But use variety of vocabulary and try to make your work more interesting. Do not overuse or over emotional language or simple vocabulary. आप over personal नहीं जाओगे, over emotional language का use नहीं करोगे, and you are not going to use simple vocabulary. Simple vocabulary is, or we can say simple vocabulary can be written by a student of 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th student also. But being in 12th standard, you can see that you are the senior most class in the schooling level. ठीक है, and you are going to set an example for everybody and for your juniors. So your vocabulary should be amazing. Your language should be, we can say, beyond the bar. ठीक है, so do not use over personal and over emotional language or simple vocabulary. Do not talk about yourself. अपने बारे में बात करनी ही नहीं आर्टिकल में. करना क्या है? यू आर राइटिंग फॉर द जनरल पब्लिक, नॉट अ सर्कल ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. रिमेंबर कि आप अपने बारे में नहीं बताओगे, अपने बारे में नहीं लिखोगे. व्हाई? यू जस्ट हैव टू गिव योर नेम इन द बायलाइन, दैट इज इट. बिकॉज आप जिनके लिए लिख रहे हो ना, मे बी वो लोग आपको नहीं जानते, आप उनको नहीं जानते. यू जस्ट नो देम एज पीपल and they know you just as a person who's the writer of this article. So you have to write, and because you are writing for the general public and not a close friend of yours, so आप उसमें थोड़े से फॉर्मल रह करके बहुत अच्छी लैंग्वेज में बहुत अच्छी वोकैबुलरी से उसको लिखें. Okay. Now we come to the format of an article. Now we'll see one example along with the format. एक example देखते हैं उसमें format भी है साथ में. चलो. Now see, format of an article. What does it say? Now I'll read out the question. Failure and success are parts of life. Failure shows us our weakness and helps us to achieve success by conquering them. Write an article on failure is a stepping stone into success. In 150 to 200 words, and you are who? You are Girish or Garima. Now, आपको किस पे लिखना है? You have to write an article on failures and success are parts of life. हमें भी पता है, life में success भी होते हैं, life में बहुत सारे failures भी मिलते हैं, and they both are the part of our life, and we have to move on. We have to go on with it. So see, failure is a stepping stone to success. Now, this is the title. So first thing is title. Then it's written by Girish. If the name is given to you, तो उसके according लिखोगे. If nothing is given to you, write your exact name. Okay, so byline में आता है by, that is author's name और byline. Byline एक चीज और भी हो जाती है, like suppose Times of India का article है, तो just write Times of India. ठीक है, just write Hindustan Times. But here you have to write the name of the author as it's given to you. So the title and then the byline. This comprises of how much marks? 1 mark. Now see, we come to the content. Content में हमारे पास क्या है? First we have the introduction, and then we can say we have the description. So see, failure and success are two sides of a coin. Like success, we should accept failure also. This saying means that if a person once, he should not lose heart. He must observe his mistakes and try to overcome him in his next attempt. Repeated efforts lead one to success. Failure gives us a new point of view through which we can achieve success. So we should always regard failure as the first step or a stepping stone to success. Now see, यहाँ पे क्या कह रहे हैं? They are saying that failure and success जो है ना, they are the two sides of a coin. जैसे कि success we know हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, सिमिलरली इन दैट सिमिलर वे हमें फेलियर्स को भी एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. दिस, ये जो सेइंग है, ये कहता है, मींस इसका क्या मतलब है, दैट इफ अ पर्सन फेल्स वंस, एक पर्सन अगर एक बार फेल हो जाता है ना किसी चीज में, ही शुड नॉट लूज हर हार्ट. उसे ना ऐसे दिल छोटा नहीं करना चाहिए. He must observe his mistakes and try to overcome them in the next attempt. उन्हें अपनी मिस्टेक्स को ऑब्जर्व करना है एंड ही और शी शुड ट्राई टू ओवरकम द मिस्टेक्स इन द नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. ठीक है, एंड रिपीटेड एफर्ट्स जो होते हैं कंटिन्यूसली, हम एक बार हार गए, 2 बार हार गए, 3 बार हार गए, हम करते रहेंगे करते रहेंगे करते रहेंगे, एंड डेफिनेटली दिस रिपीटेड एफर्ट इज गोइंग टू लीड अस टू सक्सेस. Failures, as we know, gives us a new point of view through which we can achieve success. And failure, जो हमें पता है वो हमें क्या देता है? न्यू पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देता है. ठीक है, थ्रू विच, जिसके थ्रू वी कैन अचीव सक्सेस. नाउ सो वी शुड ऑलवेज रिगार्ड फेलियर एज द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ अ सक्सेसिंग स्टोन टू सक्सेस. नाउ हमें हमेशा इस चीज को याद रखना है कि फेलियर हमेशा क्या है, हम बोलते हैं ना कि हार ही सफलता की पहली सीढ़ी है. So it's the same way it said that always हमें ध्यान रखना है that we have to regard failure as the first step or a stepping stone to success. Story of King Bruce and the Spider is an excellent example. He lost 8 battles and 8 times he lost heavily, so that he had to be in a cave. Now there he saw a spider trying to build a web. The spider could not link the web at a particular point, though it tried a number of times. But finally, it was successful. This inspired him. This inspired him, and he again organized an army which defeated his enemy finally. Now see, now you must have listened to the story of King Bruce and a spider. It's an excellent example of learning that failure is a stepping stone to success. The thing happened that King Bruce जो थे उन्होंने 8 battles lose किए थे. After losing 8 battles, the 8th battle was very heavily lost. And that is why, because of that, he has to go and hide them himself in a cave in order to protect and in order to save himself. Now, hiding in the cave, he saw a spider. The spider was building a web. But you know that spider could not link the web. Spider जो है उस web को link नहीं कर पा रहा था at a particular point. Though he tried it a number of times. Finally, after trying a number of times, he got successful. And seeing this, the story of this inspired him. And he again organized an army and defeated the enemies finally. Now, one more story listen and फिर उसके बाद इसका main element देखना. Even in science, जो inventions हैं, discoveries हैं, do not happen overnight. एक रात में सब कुछ नहीं होता. It's not possible. Then, Thomas Alva Edison, a great inventor थे, and he tried more than 1,000 times. More than 1,000 times to do what? More than 1,000 times to make a filament bulb. Later on, being successful, Edison started that he succeeded because he found 1,000 ways in which not to make the filament bulb. Why? Then हुआ क्या वहां पे? हुआ ये that he tried a number of times, 1,000 times कि वो bulb बनाए, filament bulb, but he was unsuccessful each and every time. Later on, he became successful, and after being successful, उन्होंने क्या mention किया पता है? He was inspired, and he stated one thing, and he says that why I succeeded in making this filament bulb, because I found 1,000 ways in which 1,000 ways जिससे ये filament bulb नहीं बन सकता. So 1,000 of ways of not making it are known to me. Then it is sure that I got to know that how to make it. So see how positive he has, a positivity in his failure also, and having positivity in the failures. Now see what success he achieved. So failure should not be regarded as the inefficiency of the person concerned. If a man armed with the experiences of failure picks up courage and goes on doing the thing, success will be his. Failures provide a chance of self-improvement, and so we should face them boldly and cheerfully. So we know that failures जो है, it should be regarded as the inefficiency of a person. उसे एक person की inefficiency बोल सकते हैं, concerned person की. That is why ऐसा कहा जाता है that the person is inefficient and because of that reason he has failed. ऐसा regard किया जाता है. If a man armed with experience of failure picks up courage and goes on doing the thing, success will his. तो अगर लेकिन एक man who is armed with experience, that is he has a lot of experience and he has lot of failure experiences, and he picks him up again, he becomes strong and stands again to move ahead, then we can say picks up courage and goes on doing the thing, he is definitely going to be successful and the success is going to be his. Failures provide a chance of self-improvement. These failures are the ones जो हमें self-improvement के chances देते हैं, and so we should face them boldly and cheerfully. तो हमें उसको कैसे face करना चाहिए? बहुत ही boldness से and very cheerful. Okay, so now 1 mark तो आपका title and byline का हो गया. Now next 4 marks का आपका पूरा content है. ठीक है? 4 and 5, and now you will say, ma'am, where is the 3 marks gone? So 3 is C. आपके जब आप इतना बड़ा आर्टिकल लिखते हो, there we have to look at the grammatical accuracy, we have to see the appropriate words and spellings, and even yes, spellings के भी marks जा सकते हैं. We will see up to the spellings. Now coherence, relevance, that is idea, जो ideas आप लिख रहे हो, they should coherent with the matter you wrote. Relevance, the topic should be relevance. ठीक है, जो भी ideas हैं वो topic से relevant होने चाहिए, and the style of writing should be correct. So 1.5 marks is for your ideas, that is for the relevance, coherence and the style of that particular ideas, and 1.5 marks is for grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings. ठीक है, so this comprises 3 marks. तो हो गया आपके 8 marks का. So 8 marks is completely for your article writing. Okay, hope you understand it. If you have understood it, तो quickly एक बार hand raise कर दें सब. Yes. ठीक है, now in tomorrow's class we'll discuss few more examples of articles. हम कुछ और examples discuss करेंगे articles के, and after discussing these examples of articles, I'll give you few topics, तो उसको आप लिखो. And if you want to send it to me, send कर दो. And if anybody wants to read the article here in the class, सो आई विल जस्ट अनम्यूट यू एंड आप पूरी क्लास को और मुझे अपना आर्टिकल पढ़ के भी सुना सकते हो, ठीक है। इट्स अप टू यू कि आप क्या मोड लेते हो, ठीक है। बट डेफिनेटली आफ्टर डूइंग टुमारोज एग्जांपल ऑफ दीज आर्टिकल्स आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू फ्यू क्वेश्चंस and that questions you have to solve it. And if you wish or want that your views should be heard by me and by your friends in the class, so you can. And straight away if you want to send it to me written on a paper, just make a PDF and send it to me. I'll check and I'll send it back to you. Okay, chalo. So this is all. So we all know that failure is a stepping stone to success. Yes, it's very true and it's a very beautiful topic to be written for article. There are lots of points to आप लिख सकते हो, ठीक है। Okay, chalo, bye bye and take care of yourself and we'll meet tomorrow.